This is John Souffront with Souffront Construction Engineering, and welcome to our site. Feel free to browse all of our services. Keep in mind, we are a fully integrated firm. We not only provide inspections, but we can also provide construction and engineering plans, as well as the construction management. We hold 4 professional licenses: structural PE, electrical PE, general contracting, and electrical contracting. We provide a full end-to-end solution for all of our projects. So if we're doing the inspection, we're doing the engineering, we can also do the construction, saving you time, saving you money. Our reports are usually turned around within 7 to 10 days, so rapid delivery on all of our deliverables. And we also provide submission and tracking throughout the municipality when the work is submitted to the cities. So we provide everything from end to end, A to Z. We consider ourselves the Amazons of construction. So feel free to browse our site, look through all our services, and see how we can connect and help you out on your next project. Thank you for watching.